this is Melanie. Welcome or welcome back. Have you been dying to try the hottest nail trends this summer? Ombre and Croc designs are trending right now. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create ombre croc nails. I'm going to do a beautiful set that's absolutely stunning. I'm going to add in some French, marble, and glitter as well. It's August, so I'm doing the two main challenges in the Paula Jeans nail group on Facebook. They are Ombre and Croc print. There are other side challenges as well. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in checking that out. It's a great group. The challenges help us step out of our comfort zone and help us grow. A winner has been chosen for my 100 subscriber giveaway. I realized I do not have access to the community tabs until I hit more subscribers, so the winner will be posted in the description box below this video. The winner will need to email me. My email address will be in the description box down below as well. I also posted a YouTube short video announcing the winner. The winner will have 7 days to claim their prize, or another winner will be chosen by random draw. So back to the nails. I've taken a bead of Dahlia from Madam Glam and I placed it on the ring finger, and I'm forming the smile line into shape. Once it looks the way I like, I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with Lily of the Valley, which is white polygel from Madam Glam. I've placed a line in the center of the nail tip, and I'm just pressing and patting that white into place, making sure that I go all the way up on the sides of the sidewall. If you're bummed about not winning the giveaway, don't worry, because I have a lot more giveaways coming up, so stay tuned to my channel for that. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me. So you might not know this, but I already had posted this video yesterday, and somehow it got deleted on YouTube. So I had to refilm it. That's why the index finger and the middle finger are already done. I decided I would just show you, on the ring finger and the pinky. And so I refilmed it for you guys because I really liked this nail design. Honestly, I wish I would have done it on myself, but hey, the practice hand will be looking fierce this week. I'm using 70% alcohol as my slip solution. You could also use slip solution if you would like. The brush that I'm using is from a McCart Polygel kit that I got when I first started getting into nails. I'm really excited because coming up on my channel, I'm going to be doing an e-nail couture haul where I'm going to try out some of their happy gels and some of the bubblegum gel. Also, I'm going to be reviewing the new Polygel kit from To Be Glam. Their products are supposed to be HEMA-free. Also, I won a Christy Mays giveaway, so I'll be doing a video on that where I won some of the Madam Glam gel polishes, which are also HEMA-free. So if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to be subscribed so that you don't miss out on any of these videos coming up. Now I'm taking some milky white and white gel polish and some base coat, and I'm making some lines in the nail so that I can marble it on the tip of the pinky. There's no wrong way to do this marble design, so just go with the flow. The brush that I'm using is a Beetles detailing brush that I purchased off of Amazon. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for a really good thin liner brush. They're supposed to be really good for creating French nails and other detailed designs, so I really want one. Now I'm just taking the brush and kind of making little squiggle lines and marbling that design. Now I'm taking some iridescent butterflies and some glitter and placing it on the nail. I did purchase these butterflies and the white glitter from AliExpress. I love purchasing from AliExpress. The only downfall is the wait. It usually can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks to receive their products. But I've recently been looking at Shein, which is kind of similar, but they don't have as big of selection, but their pricing is really good and the delivery is faster. So I pronounce Shein as Sheen, but I've recently heard people pronouncing it Shein. I don't know which one is right. How do you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. So another reason why I had to switch to polygel and different nail methods other than acrylic is because I do nails in my apartment and I have to use odorless products. Also, I am allergic to HEMA, so I know there are HEMA-free monomers, but there is no HEMA-free monomer that is also odorless. And my husband absolutely cannot stand the smell of monomer, so we have to wait until one day when we get a house. Then I can maybe have a little, my gosh, tongue twister. She shed. Let me know in the comments if you have any tongue twisters that are difficult for you to say. So now I've taken a bead of the Dahlia Polygel and I'm about to ombre it by pressing my brush down a little bit firmly to spread that polygel down into the ombre. There are many other ways to create ombre nails. You could use the milk sponges, you could use dip, you could use gel polish, acrylic, whatever method works best for you. Try them all and just find the best method. Now that the ombre is good, I'm just going around the apex, making sure it has a good arch and that the sides are nice and clean. And as soon as it does look the way that I want it, I'm going to be curing in the lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm taking my clear polygel, which is called Ice Blossom from Madame Glam, and I'm going to be capping the marble ombre. You only need to place the clear polygel from the apex to the tip. This right here is exactly why I love polygel in comparison to acrylic, because you cannot get an acrylic that is this clear. I mean, maybe, but it's pretty hard. I'm just taking that clear, smoothing out the nail, and the excess of the clear I'm going to be removing. And now I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now taking some alcohol on a lint-free wipe, I'm removing the sticky inhibition layer. Now I'm taking my white panna file that I purchased from Amazon and I'm going to be shaping the sides and the tip of the nail, also the arch. The key to doing this properly is to keep your file as straight as possible. Now I'm taking my ceramic safety bit and I'm going to be filing the nail, taking the bulk down. I always start by creating the arch and the shape that I want, going down the center of the nail first, and now changing my hand position, I'm just going to be evening out the rest of the nail. And finally, I'm going in with my arbor band and I'm just smoothing out, finish filing the nail. And now I'm taking my dust brush and I'm just dusting the nails off. And now on the French nails, I'm taking some white gel paint and a fine detailing brush, and I'm going to create the lines for the Croc nail design. You want to make sure to leave a little bit of space in between these lines. You want to make sure that your brush is well coated with the gel paint. Now for the side of the design, you're going to want to go in between the other lines, creating little small lines going all the way up to the top of the smile line. And now to repeat those steps on the other side of the nail. And now I'm going to be taking my Diamond Dust glitter from Young Nails, and I'm using a little scoop to sprinkle the glitter onto the Croc nail design. I'm being careful not to apply too much that it will squish the design. Tap the excess off and then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. And now taking my iGel Beauty non-wipe gel top coat and a brush I got from AliExpress, and I'm just going to coat the nail bed area and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm also going to paint the entire pinky nail with the top coat as well. And this is the finished look. I think these nails are absolutely stunning, beautiful, and elegant. It's a very classic design, but also has that trendy croc print that just makes it amazing. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.